What is our distribution channel? RC or something? Yeah. No, this is correct or not? For RECH, what we created? Okay, let's do F4. For sales organization RECH, we created R1 and R2 and distribution channel 02. Right, so let's say I want to create for sanitizers, which means my sales organization is RECH, my distribution channel is 02 and division is R2. Right, if you just press enter, system will ask you this information. Okay, system will ask you some of the information which is optional, some of the information which is mandatory. I already told you how you can make a particular field as mandatory or optional using the event customer account group, right? So there are different tabs here. In the order tab, you have some fields. If you want to enter these details, you can enter. We will discuss when we'll do the transactions, which fields are relevant for what. These are normally relevant for the reporting purpose. So if you want to report based on the sales district, or if you want to create a report based on the sales office, sales group, you can, these are normally default values. Okay, so whenever you create a sales order for a particular customer, the sales office, sales group, this can come by default at the time of creation of sales order itself. Right, same way shipping. There are few fields related to shipping. There are few fields related to billing. So I think this will be very early stage if I explain you what is shipping, what is billing. These are the things which we are going to discuss in detail during the course. So as of now, I am just showing you how to save this particular customer master data. Even partner functions, you can see that they are not appearing. So till the time the partner functions will not appear, again, you will not be able to create any sales order. So that thing we need to discuss in detail. As of now, I'm just trying to click on save so that this customer master data can be created under my sales area. But definitely, if I want to use this customer for my sales orders and other shipping, billing related things, there are a lot of other settings that I have to do from the sales and distribution module. Okay, so now this particular customer has been created in your company code. It is also created in your sales area. Okay, any questions now? Anyone who wants any explanation on business partner, whatever we discussed yesterday, the system was slow. That is the reason it was creating a lot of confusion. That is the reason I took some 10-15 minutes of time to explain the most of the things once again. So I think now everyone should be clear with whatever we discussed from the business partner point of view. If you have any questions before I go to the next thing, please tell me so that we can resolve that and then proceed to the next topic. Okay, next topic anyway is related to business partner only. I want to show you the tables, how the tables are affected in the background. But still, if you have any questions on the configuration and creation of business partner, go ahead.
Vikram, we had a problem with field selection yesterday, right? I mean, how to make it mandatory.
Material master data, right?
Yeah, that one.
And yes, actually, I haven't got the time to check that, but let me check it. I'll explain you in the next session. Anything on the business partner front?
No,
Hello, yes, sir. I have. Hello. Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, sir. There is a two thing. One thing that
Yes, go ahead.
grouping and customer vendor, sir. But sir, what is the basic difference? Because in the end, we integrated with both actually, and we create the same number. So actually, what is the basic difference between customer account and grouping actually?
Okay. See, what was happening in ECC is there was no need of this BP grouping. In ECC, we were only doing this thing. We were creating the customer account group, we were creating the number range, and then we were assigning the customer account group to the number range, right? And when we were trying to create a customer, if I go to currently I don't have the access. Maybe I was trying to show you in ECC. I'm not able to log in. Let me just give me a minute. No, I think this is login is expired. Otherwise, I could have shown you in ECC. So maybe I will ask my vendor to extend this. And in the next session, I will show you one cycle of how to create a customer and vendor in ECC. But if you understood this, it is very easy to understand in ECC. So again, let's come to the point. So the question is, why BP groupings are required? Why there is a need of creating customer account groups and BP groupings? See, in ECC, this much setup was enough. Okay, we were creating all these transactions there. They were there in ECC also. We were using these transactions to create a customer account group, number range, and customer assigning the number ranges to the customer account group. But in order to create a customer, we were using this transaction XD01. In this transaction, system was, see currently what system is asking, whenever we are trying to create a new customer, system is asking us BP grouping, right? Customer is not asking us customer account group. In ECC, system was asking us customer account group directly. Okay, and that is the reason this much information was enough. Now what is happening in S4HANA, because we are using transaction BP, and in BP system is not directly asking customer account group. System is asking BP grouping. And that is the reason, in addition to customer account group, we are creating the BP grouping, and then we are assigning the BP grouping to the customer account group. Right. So why BP grouping is required? BP grouping is only required because BP creation is mandatory now, and at the time of BP creation, we don't have the option of providing the customer account group. We want to determine the customer account group based on the BP grouping. Okay. Second thing which you asked, same numbers. See what will happen if I have different numbers for BP and customer. Okay, let's take this example. Let's try to create a new customer now. So I'll go to new organization. I don't want to save the changes. So I will select the other group that I created, which was RFO1. He created RFO1, right? It is not appearing here because this is already opened. Yes. So if I go to BP, click on the new organization, RFO1. This is what we created for foreign customers. And if you remember, in this one, we are not ticked on the same number indicator. Okay, so if I go to RFO1, and here I will select the same FLCU00 for customer, right? You will get this message and you will click on create. I'm entering the same information what I entered previously. So I'm just pressing the space button. See how system is showing me all the previous values. When you click on the space button, system will show you all the previous values that you used. So I'm just using the previous value. Space button in your keyboard. So space, it is showing me the last value. Again space, it is showing me the last value. Country also I'm pressing the space, and then last one is this maintenance language. So English. Now I'm going to company code data. My company code is RECH. I created the reconciliation account and the sort key. Now just see here, this number and this number. Let's try to save. Okay, anyways, this number is external number. So if I provide any number here, grouping foreign customer as an internal number assignment, do not enter the number. Okay, sorry. Not this number. System is asking me the number for customer. So I have to go to general data, customer general data, and here I have to provide the external number. So let's say if I provide this, it will tell me it should be in the range. So 1000 to 1999. So I will provide, let's say 199999. Okay, and try to save it. Now see at, okay, it is again taking this reconciliation, sort key, and save. So you can see at this number is 7090 and this customer number is 15 times 9. So there is a different number provided to business partner and customer. If I don't tick on that same number indicator, then my numbers would be different and it may create a confusion. So as a business user, I need to remember both the numbers. If I want to find out a particular business partner, I need to remember the business partner number. And if I need to find out the customer number, I need to remember the customer number, which creates a confusion. So what SAP recommends is whenever you are implementing the new SAP system, try to create these two numbers as same. And that is exactly what I've shown you, how you can create the two numbers exactly same by ticking on that indicator and what are the prerequisites.
Oh, okay, sir.
Tushar, or confusion?
Yes, no, sir. Actually, I am just thinking about in the end, we are integrated the BP grouping and customer account group. So that's why I'm confusing because we are giving the same number range. So because it's the same for that's why I'm confusing. Now it's
Yeah,
clear,
so
sir.
that assignment is required because in VP there is no direct customer account group that I can enter. That is the reason there is a assignment required between VP grouping and customer account group.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So hello.
Hello.
When we enter BP group, it is automatically determining the customer account. Correct?
Right, exactly, Akshay.
Yeah. So just one more thing. This is one-to-one unique combination will be there, no, always, because do we have means one BP group cannot have two different on customer account group or vendor account group.
Not possible, Akshay. One BP grouping, only one account. So
Okay.
it is.
Hello. I have a question, Mr. Vikram. Hello.
Yeah, go.
Uh, for an already existing BP business partner and a vendor, if a vendor is also a customer, for the existing business partner, can I create a customer?
No, sorry. Can you come again?
See, a vendor can be both, a business partner can be both vendor as well as a customer to an organization. He will both
Right.
supply and also buy from me. So
Mm-hmm.
in that case, now assume like I have already created a vendor. Initially, he was a vendor. Later, he also became a customer. So same business partner, I have to create a customer, or I have to create a different business partner and create the customer.
No, same business partner you can use as a vendor as well as a customer.
Okay, that means like one is to same business partner like BP1 can be my V1 and C1 also.
Right, definitely.
Okay. Okay. So like that means like existing business partner I have to select and then create a, I mean can create a customer against it, isn't it?
Exactly. Let's do it. See,
Okay.
if I want that this particular customer, I want to create this customer also as my vendor. Okay. So what I need to do is currently I'm in the display mode. That is the reason it will not show me FLVN00 and FLVN01. So if I want to add a new role, so this is my business partner, which is already my customer. I want to extend this to my vendor also. So in that particular case, I will go to the change mode and I will select FLVN00 here. Okay. And you can see it is asking you the relevant information. So it is asking you
Understood.
account.
I got it.
Okay. Asking you the sort key. Okay. And if you try to save, you will get one error. Can you tell me what would be that error? Have we assigned the business partner grouping to vendor account group? The new business partner grouping that we created, we only
No, we
assigned to
haven't.
customer, right? So that error will. Let's try.